Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to another video, and in today's video we are doing a full face of drugstore favorites, and I will be using the BH Cosmetics Desert Oasis palette. I know it's not drugstore, but it's pretty much drugstore price. Okay, let me compare. So this Milani palette, Pure Passions palette, is 20 bucks, I believe, and for 4 more bucks you get a palette like this, which is different colors, but it's still really nice, right? So, okay, this is why I can't have nice things. Yeah, so I'm going to be using this palette, and the rest are gonna be my favorites, which I will link down below. So we're gonna start to prime our face, and we're gonna prime with the NYX Angel Veil, which is my faves for everyday. I gotta get my mirror set up, you know. So I'm gonna put a little bit of that, spray on my finger, and oh, you know, I usually do my eyes first and I totally forgot. I swear, every time I turn on my camera, I forget what I'm supposed to do. How did you guys like my husband's voiceover video? I'm trying to get him back on my channel to do my makeup, or for me to do his makeup. So we're gonna try to work on that. He said he would go on my channel, but he said he doesn't know what he's doing, so he doesn't want to do my makeup. But I'm like, that's the whole point, right? That's the fun of it. Not knowing how to do the makeup, correct? I don't have a favorite eye primer from the drugstore. I'm still on the hunt for a good primer. Oh my god. Oh my god, I thought there was a fly in here and I was gonna freak out. Okay, now you can see my face, right? So I did use this primer on my e.l.f. video, which never got, oh well, I posted, but you know, my husband did the voiceover. So I think I'm still gonna do my full face of e.l.f. But you know what? Honestly, I was not having a good makeup day, and I had like my birthday dinner that night, and I was not happy. I mean, it was okay, but I was not like excited. The primer, the e.l.f. primer that I used that day was like not good. The poor putty primer. I guess because my face is oily, that one did not want to work with me. So I'm gonna go in with my Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer, and I'm just gonna put that on my crease. Okay, now that's on my crease. I'm gonna go in to the Desert Oasis palette, cause it's so beautiful. Okay. Ooh, and I'm gonna go in with the shade Sandstone, and I'm just gonna put that all over my crease. So I was going a little bit ham on my eyeshadow and I messed it up. We'll make it work. I'm gonna get a clean fluffy brush. I'm just gonna try to blend out the edges. Then I took a flat shader brush and I took the shade Dune and I put that on the outer V. Okay. So I don't really know what look I'm going for, but we're gonna get somewhere, right? Okay, for the shiny part that I want to put on my eyelids, you know how I like shiny lids? If you know me, and I hope you do. We are gonna go with Hideaway, and I'm gonna get another shader brush. Okay, now I'm gonna get another shade flat brush, and I'm gonna go into Hideaway. I don't know how pigmented this is gonna be. We'll see. Okay. I mean, I didn't really do much. So I'm gonna put it on with my finger. Ooh, that's actually really pretty. And I'm just gonna do that with the other side. Please don't mind my nails. My nails are hideous right now because I'm, you know, I'm torn between getting them done and just waiting till I go to Vegas next month, because I mean, I know I spent a lot of money on makeup, but getting my nails done is just like, I don't know, it's not that important to me. I'd rather spend my money on makeup and other stuff rather than my nails, so I'll fix it, okay? One of these days, I'll fix it. Ooh, that is so pretty. Ooh, I like it, I like it. And I'm gonna go in with Dune again, and I'm just gonna deepen that up. Ooh, 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 ooh. Now, I'm gonna put my foundation on. So I'm gonna put it on my hand. I'm just gonna start buffing out. I put 2 pumps. I don't know if I'm supposed to. So what would you guys want to see? My husband put makeup on me, or me put makeup on my husband? Please let me know in the comments below if you on what you want to see. Huh? Oh, oops, I didn't tell you guys. So I'm using my L'Oreal 24-hour Fresh Wear. That is my favorite foundation ever right now. It makes my skin look so nice. For our favorite concealer, I don't know what the heck I was saying. I'm using Maybelline Age Rewind. I'm just gonna put that there. I'm kinda just doing whatever today, huh? Not even caring what I look like right now. Yeah. And then I'm just gonna bounce that out. Bounce it out. Bounce. Okay. Sorry. I don't know how it's looking. Who else makes this face when you do concealer? Well, I make this face when I do concealer. And I'm like, why do I do that? You know? Are my dark circles erased or what? Are they? Can you tell me? Or do I need like another 10 layers? I have like dark lip marks right here. So I'm just gonna put some concealer on there too. And I'm just gonna try to conceal all my darkness. Okay. Now I'm gonna do the forehead. You gotta do the forehead like this. You gotta buff it up like this. Ooh, does my forehead look patchy or what? Tell me, does my head look freaking... I dropped my concealer. Okay, I feel like I dropped. I feel like my forehead was patchy, so I'm gonna patch her up with some concealer. How do I look? Good or what? Good or what? Now I'm gonna set my under eyes, cause you gotta set your under eyes, guys. Okay? Doesn't matter. I don't know why I have that accent. I'm sorry. Okay. I'm using the Advanced Radiance from CoverGirl and Classic Beige to just set under my eyes. I'm gonna set my under eyes with my Milani translucent light medium. Ooh, what's everyone's favorite powder brush? Because I want to get a new powder brush, but I feel like I like this one, and this is the Juno ES30, and for me, I love it. It like gets underneath my eyes perfectly. It's so dense, you know? Ooh, I didn't set my forehead earlier, huh? And now I'm gonna frickin' bronze my face. I'm gonna use a little bit of my favorite Infallible Longwear Shaping Stick. This is from L'Oreal and this is in the shade Cocoa. And this is a foundation stick, but I do use it to contour my face. So I just outline my face, you know, like you're trying to shape your face. As my husband says, to make it look slimmer. I think he said slimmer, I forgot what he said. Like to carve out your face, right? And I'm gonna also put this on the sides of my nose. Ooh, look at that line. That's not even. But we'll work with it, okay? It doesn't have to be perfect, okay? It just has to be there and you can make it work. And I'm gonna use my Jeffree Star brush to buff out my life. Uh-oh, I got a text, guys, from my cousin. And she says to open. Okay, my cousin's gonna come over. She wants to hang out. Okay, so maybe we'll do a video together, you know? Okay. Okay. It's okay if you go too ham sometimes, because you could always unbuff it. I mean, cover it with like some other stuff. Now I'm gonna take this Real Techniques brush and I'm just gonna contour my nose, contour my life away. Yeah, okay. And so when I contour my nose, I go from the corner or the tip of my eyebrow down to the center. And look, how does it look, guys? Does my nose look pointier? Smaller? That's what I was going for. And for my favorite drugstore blush, which almost broke and actually is already broken, is the L'Oreal Paradise blush in Charming. If you want to see what she looks like, it's like that. Yes, it is broken. Okay, because I use this every day of my life, literally, for work. So I'm just gonna take a fluffy brush and I'm just gonna blush my face. Like sweep it across my face. If I feel like I go too ham, I just take another brush and I blend it out. You blend it out because, I mean, you can. Oh my god. I forgot to put eyeliner on. Okay, so I'm gonna put eyeliner on, and my favorite eyeliner next to the NYX one is this Essence pen because it's so dark. Let me show you. Look how, oh gosh, it's so good. It's so rich in pigment. It's so good, and it's like $2, you know? I'm just gonna leave it, because you know what? The more that you do, and it's gonna get thicker and thicker until my eyeliner is like up to my eyebrows, okay? I've done it before, I know. I am gonna set my nose contour, and I'm gonna use my Milani Silk Matte Bronzing Powder. Oh my god, it's like 27. Now I'm gonna finish up my eyes, and I'm gonna go in with Terrain. And I'm gonna put that on my inner corners. I'm gonna use this pencil brush. Well, it says it's a crease brush, but it's from e.l.f. And I'm gonna go in to Dune to smoke out my lower lash line. And you know what? Like I said, I do want to use a little of this blue. So I'm gonna take a little tiny brush. I'm just gonna put that on my lower lash line. I like it, I like it. Okay. And now I'm gonna highlight. My favorite highlight from the drugstore is the Master Chrome highlight in Molten Gold. I'm using the little puff to just calm down my nose contour because I just realized it was freaking like. And now I'm going to set my face. My favorite setting spray from the drugstore is this Make It Last setting spray, and they say you're not supposed to use it a lot because it does have alcohol in it, but I mean, today is a day of favorites, so I'm using it today. Oh my god. So my favorite lip liner is the LA Girl Ultimate Intense Stay, and this is in Keep It Spicy. I think I used this in my first video, but that's what it looks like. You know, because I am spicy. And my favorite liquid lipstick or lip from the drugstore is this liquid catsuit from Wet n Wild. It's so beautiful. Like it's kind of patchy, but I mean you could do it in layers. Like really nice. All right, now we're gonna move on to mascara, and of course, the number one mascara is the Voluminous Lash Paradise. This mascara is so good, so good. Ooh, I just love this. Look at it. Do I even need lashes though? Do I? And we're done. Let me zoom you out so you can see the whole shebang. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching this video. This is it. This is the look that I created using my drugstore favorites. I really enjoyed myself. Hopefully you guys did too. Thank you guys so much for watching, and don't forget to give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and don't forget to subscribe. I do post new videos every week, hopefully twice a week. Hopefully twice a week. And yeah, so subscribe so I can see you in my next one. Bye guys.